Hey, I'm Rajesh. As someone who saw the struggle of IT freshers, I built this template to solve the chaos of job hunting. I noticed students were missing deadlines, forgetting where they applied, and feeling overwhelmed with DSA preparation. So I created this all-in-one workspace. Let me show you how it works. This is your main dashboard with all 5 modules. This Kanban board lets you track every application visually. Drag a card from wishlist to applied to interview scheduled. No more forgetting where you applied. Here's a complete study plan with free resources. Everything structured so you know exactly what to study. Project Portfolio Manager to showcase your work. Behavioral interview prep with common questions. Resume Hub to keep everything organized. Stop the job hunt stress. Get organized and land your dream job. Get your copy using the link below.